The citrus basil smash. Have you ever wanted to recreate a similar drink to Sunny Delight, the drink from your childhood? If you remember this drink, then please leave a comment along with any scaremongering stories from apparent health professionals in the 1990s who claimed that your skin would turn orange like a trainee beautician, or you would have teeth like you have an extensive methamphetamine problem. Well, I've got a drink for you which tastes a bit like that, but with a bit more of an adult Mediterranean flair for some added culture. The ingredient lineup: fresh orange juice, fresh lemon juice, 6 to 8 basil leaves, and some simple syrup. Let's kick this off by muddling our basil leaves in the shaker. Follow this up with half an ounce, that's 15 ml of simple syrup. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice. Lastly, add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of fresh orange juice. Twice, and then we want to shake this for around 15 seconds. History-wise, this is another random internet recipe with many different variations, and I assume this is based on the gin basil smash. Double strain this over ice into a rocks glass. For the garnish, I'm going to balance a basil leaf on top. The taste test. This is obviously very sweet and has that Sunny Delight kind of flavour. I think the lemon and the basil definitely give it some character and different dimensions which make it a little bit more upmarket. The orange juice is always a tricky ingredient to work with in my opinion, as it unbalances drinks. It'd be a bit too sweet, depending on the varieties you get, a little bit non-existent. And also, you have that other thing where you feel like you need to neck a bottle of Gaviscon after. But this is not too bad, and it also has some nostalgic vibes to me. And I'm going to give this a respectable 7 out of 10.